Hello, folks. I'm just so proud of myself for making this awesome Thanksgiving turkey boil. It was a challenge to use up our turkey in an unconventional way. And I thought to myself, how can I use this turkey but still have more to utilize afterwards? And the turkey boil idea came to mind. Little did I know that in the Louisiana area and other states, they do have a turkey neck boil, but I wasn't sure that this was even a thing. But I thought to myself, if I season up my turkey right, added the right amount of ingredients to it, bake it for a little bit and then add more stuff to it to make it right. Add my potatoes and my corn and my sausage and my Brussels sprouts and any other ingredients that I thought necessary. I could make something of it. Guys, it turned out delicious. Crunchy carrots, beautifully roasted turkey with that nice spice, really good Cajun down to earth spice. Topped it off with a little bit of lemon slices and voila, it was awesome. Even eggs I put in it. This turkey boil is definitely something that you want to try in your neck of the woods. Remember, a Yardie TV says so. Big up on yourself.